charge of the network spread department from KT. It's my great pleasure to be here. I want to talk about the ICT network. My presentation has two topics, the current status and the ICT network KT. First of all, I will start the broadband status of Korea. Recently, ITU released the latest ICT global rankings. As you know, Korea tops ICT ranking for third years in a row since 2009. And KT is the nation's largest fixed line operator since the foundation of 1981. And so KT is a key player, played the role in ICT networks in Korea. And I'll show you the business market share in Korea. The first one is fixed broadband share. As you can see, the KT has a 44% among the 18.3 million subscribers. And in IPTV, KT has a 59% of market share. And fixed telephone, 86%. So fixed broadband market and IPTV is increasing dramatically, over 1 million subscribers annually. And fixed telephone is decreasing now, as you know, due to the convergence time. Okay, next I talk about the broadband, mobile broadband networks. And KT has already established the nationwide coverage using the 1.8 gigahertz with 10 megahertz bandwidth. And it covers 99% of the population. And we have got the additional spectrum, 10 megahertz in the 1.8 gigahertz. So we can offer 20 megahertz like that LTE network. So we are deploying now the Seoul and vicinity areas now, and we can establish the other major 5 cities by March next year, and nationwide coverage for the network of wideband LTE by July next year. And it was regulated by government. And prior to that, we can offer the carrier version using the 900 megahertz, the 10 plus 10 megahertz. And this is the performance of LTE networks. And left side is category 3, existing LTE phone. And right side is category 4, LTE phone, which is capable of 150 Mbps. As you can see, KT achieved overwhelming speed compared to our competitors in Seoul. And there are many the blind speed testing in market side. KT has a winning rate, 96%. And this is the data explosion of KT only. The data traffic has increased 350 times, not 350%, but 350 times over 4 years, and it is ongoing. And 2009 is very important year for KT because KT introduced the iPhone in Korean market for the first time. And monthly data usage per user is 2.2 gigabps for LTE and 1.2 gigabps for 3G. And the number of subscribers is 6.7 million LTE and 9.1 million 3G. KT has innovative mobile networks. KT already commercialized vertical station networks using virtualization technology, which is served by COM, coordinate multipoint, which is consistent of coordinate favoring and joint transmission, which is a standardized in View 12. And as you can see, we are going to deploy Cloud IMS and Cloud VPC and SDF next year. And we already deployed the VoLTE and the cloud antenna using the joint transmission technology. And we are providing the RCS, the brand name is joint, and CDR, and the ABC, always just connected in a live TV channel. And we are going to launch the EMDMS. And in the heterogeneous networks, we deployed already the Wi-Fi and public example. This is deployed by 18,000 devices. And we are going to launch home control at the end of this year. And in the carrier ratio, we have a roadmap like this. So the component carrier ratio will be deployed. And let's move to the next topic, ICT network. And it is a very useful example for ICT. The first one is web-enabled IPTV. KT launched a web-based TV service for the first time last July. And using the HTML5, it operates a web-based software program, and it is accessible from both set-top box and user devices such as PC, smartphone, and tablet. And it will support both Google Android and Linux as well. So there are many useful functions. For example, the first one is mashup service. So when the customers watch the VOD or TV, they can watch or surf or share the information in the same screen. And the next, the service is the OLED TV personal broadcasting channel. Namely, they can make their own personal OLED TV channel. Yeah. And there's many another educational programs using the HTML5. And the next ISP service is Giga Premium Service. Our government selected Giga Internet as a national project. So the government pushed us world first-class broadcasting and communication infrastructure. So KT is establishing the trial cluster, the internet cluster regions in the Kangnam and so on. And smart home networks, including about I think 7,000 households, yeah, which will serve the VHD ultra HD service, and each is 25 megabits, one channel. And fortunately, KT has infrastructure already for the internet service. 75% of our infrastructure was already constructed by TTH. So the 10G royalty is connected to the home hub using the TTH. And home hub is connected to all of the devices in the home, such as home appliances and meter devices and so on. So this the Giga Internet services of the environment. And so the Giga Internet services can offer the new experience and new convenience to our customers. Okay, the next one is OLED TV Mobile. It's a brand name of mobile TV. KT reinforced mobile TV services last September. So we can offer full HD 4 megapps, very high quality live channel. Customers can get data usage double from 3 to 6 gigabps. And KT provide this exclusive broadcasting of terrestrial channels, such as the MBC, SBS, and etc., which is very popular in Korea. And KT reinforced a seamless content between TV and mobile. We added 17,000 content, so we can offer the 50,000 content. And moreover, our customers can save data peak so using the agency or an access solution. So when a customer is watching live TV and moving to the Wi-Fi zone, and then the handset is automatically and simultaneously hand over to the Wi-Fi zone. So it reduces the traffic and data usage by 80%. So it will expand the global voice service, video services usage dramatically, this practice. And the second one is premium content delivery. KT services face fastest and most reliable content delivery using MCA, Mobile Cloud Accelerator, which is made by Ericsson. And it offers live video and VOD and transport services, and it allows the local casing functions in undeveloped networks and prioritize acceleration in mobile network. So it will be good revenue share business model with the content providers. So we are going to provide in areas such as finance and home shopping and security areas and that side. And we are going to expand the area. The next one is that project. It's a real situation in October 15. So, and data Hyunjin, our Korean major leaguer, was on the championship league. So at that time in Korea, about almost all of the employees around us watching the live TV using their smartphone. In that case, a number of users so simultaneously watch the same video in live TV. So it made huge congestion on all the networks and core networks. So this picture shows you the MBMS has solved those problems. So EMBMS is very useful solution for the areas where I think a lot of customers can cloud at the same time. This picture shows you the speed when 40 users are watching the EMBMS at the same time. As you can see, there is no degradation of speed in a network time. It's very important. It has 42 Mbps. In a normal service case, it will be a 1 Mbps, so it's very difficult to watch the live TV channel. I present the talk, total advertising community. As you might know, EMBMS is the first the broadcasting content which is offered by the operators. So the cost, the customers pay for the content they want to see. So operators can cannot put the advertisement into the streaming, if they're streaming until now. However, the eMBMS is provided by operators. So if a customer wants to see the eMBMS, they the she or he has to watch advertisement in advance. That is the concept. And advertisements are registered by the client advertisers in advance with such information as targeting users and targeting regions and targeting time, as well as including the advertising stance, which will be shared by the operator. So how will often advertising business model driven by operators? So the market will be expanded through cooperation with operators. Okay, last example is the cloud network. There are many net of entities and systems in our networks, wired and wireless networks. And it's difficult to change current networks to the cloud-based system. And we have already established IMS and full-size EPC and even virtualized brand systems. However, KT are going to deploy the virtualized system because the data traffic is increasing dramatically and continuously on and on. So we are going to purchase our new systems for the capacity in the virtualized system. We start in IMS and EPC next year. Okay, I'll give you some information. KT has two exhibition centers. The first one is the KT Innovation Center for mobile. The second one is the last mobile center for Wi-Fi. So as for the KT Innovation Center, it was opened last year, and it was renewed very often this year. And the exhibition has advanced technology, including LD and UI and so on. And last mobile center has an exhibition of high-speed internet networks. And this is the innovation center, and this is the last mobile center. Okay, this is the last page of my presentation. I can tell you the new giga broadband year is coming to you, and will be a big challenge for us. And also, it will give us a new year of ICT. So KT will be one of the leaders in that area. Thank you.